Was that just drumming or thunder?
It was drumming. God was drumming for us. Brrr. He's like, drum roll, please. Let's see how fast Daddy can set it up.
Remember that? You want to hold one? Okay, Scarlett, help us. You guys find a stick.
Daddy, this straight and tall. What do you have, Skimble? Those? Mommy, you in all of this?
That makes sense. No, I need to help them. Yeah, but only go to those rocks right there. Don't go any further.
Okay. That's one thing that we found. Let's see if we can find some lizards. We might be lucky to find some baby lizards. Keep your eye pretty coming. Oh, we won't see it. You're doing the caveman days.
Yeah, night.
Remember Randall's?
We got our rooftop tent. Got this awesome, amazing spot in Mogollon Rim. It's beautiful. Weather's perfect. We got some rain clouds coming in. We already got sprinkled pretty good. So we left really late. That was kind of regrettable. So we got here. We didn't get here till about 2 o'clock, 2:30ish. So it kind of was poopy. So, and then on top of that, we forgot to top off on gas. So that was poopy too. So we didn't top off in Camp Verde. So we came up the I-17, and for whatever reason, our expedition is just sucking gas right now. It is just absolutely sucking gas. And I mean, obviously we've had a lot of weight. We've got the tent. That's adding wind resistance. We've got, I took the it's fine, it's on, baby. It's on. See the red lights blinking? See the red lights blinking? No, it's on. Here, Goober.
I want to look at your face.
So, we took the wind valance off, which is a piece of plastic that goes underneath the car to help deflect more wind resistance. So we took that off for ground clearance. We've got a lot of weight in the back cargo area. So, yeah, we've added some things to the vehicle to decrease the gas mileage. So we've also got check engine lights, so that's awesome.
Angry.
Who?
Kinsley is ruthless when she is angry.
She is.
Ruthless.
She is. We're trying to fix this amazing dinner right here. And the riffraff are going crazy. We got steak. We got vegetables. They're just going insane. We've got this amazing rain right now. It's so beautiful out here.
Ready?
We're on the Mogollon Rim.
Get the...
Watch this. This is so cool. It's water in Arizona. What?
What? It happens.
It's amazing. So cool. We got the tent right here. The door is actually being our awning. So I'm inside the tent now. Kind of did a makeshift, little poles right here with the sticks. Got some rope, tied them up. For some dinner, it's raining, we love it. It's perfect. We can't beat this. Kids are up here. Girls, what are you doing? We're watching the movie. No. Girls are watching the video. Hey girls.
Hey guys. Hi guys.
Hey girls. So dark. I'm gonna take you guys out here where this is so cool. Yeah, if you don't mind. I mean, this is awesome. Just perfect weather right now. A little rain in Arizona. We're right here on the end of this rain. Getting some beautiful rain. It's just gorgeous. Some thunder and lightning. I mean, it's just beautiful. You guys see the rain clouds, the water, some thunder. Our camp spot's right over here. Our camp spot. Good truck. Oh, it's just gorgeous out here. It's beautiful. It's not even raining hard, it's just, it's like that perfect sprinkle rain where it takes the edge off the heat. Makes you feel good. I mean, you can't beat this. Unreal. All right, wrapping up our first night. It was utterly exhausting. The kids managed to push all the limits of my patience. I think Cassie's patience too, right? Yep. All the patience has been pushed, but we survived. We had dinner. We took photos, took video, walked the rim. Haven't got anything stuck yet today. Still have the dog. That's a good thing. Mm-hmm. We've got some cool looking lights. There are these motion detection bars, light bars, LED bars that just magnet onto the roof of our, just kind of, it's pretty cool. Just kind of sticks on, motion detection. So see how long those last. This is pretty cool.
Come on, where are you dragonfly?
So we've got bed in here for the two. Get out of here. Get out of here. Oh, fat dragonfly. Yeah, so we got a bed in here for the two older girls, me and the wifey. We making noises up in here. Up in the main cabin. Yeah, I got a window open right there because our youngest will be sleeping right here. We got her little scarlet cubby, sleeping mat or a sleeping bag, and then her normal blankie. So should be good in there. Like I said, we got the window open, so plenty of ventilation, and we can hear if she says or does anything. So yeah, just another night camping. It's like beautiful weather. It's not even cold. It's definitely not hot. We had some rain come through, wet everything down. It's just amazing. So tomorrow we'll get the zip line up, have some fun with that, enjoy the rest of the day, and head on home. Well, we had a pretty peaceful night sleeping. One potty break. We learned one little lesson that we gotta put the girls to sleep first. And then mom and dad can go to bed. So we were up and down about 10 times. So it's all good. It was so beautiful last night. The moon was like full. Stars were out. Saw some shooting stars. Had the roof open. There was no rain, so we had the roof open all night. It's beautiful.
Bugs weren't bad.
No bugs. I just couldn't sleep because I'm so excited for the zip line. I literally couldn't sleep. I was so excited for it. Are you guys excited for it?
Yeah, but I bonked my head on the thing.
Are you guys excited for the zip line?
Yeah. Ow, ow.
Okay.
Sounds fun. Ow.
Okay.
Ow, ow.
Yeah, we'll get that set up later. No clouds today, so
Ow, ow, ow,
no fear of lightning.
Ah! Look at this one. Ow.
Well, the zip line did not work. My design idea just wasn't very super safe. I was still getting a little slack, too much slack in the cable. I was trying to use a tie down strap, the ratchet, and it slipped once, and that was pretty much the end of that. So we'll try to get next time. I think next time I'll just have a cable on each end with the turnbuckle, so that way I can use a wrench to tighten it. And I know that's not going to slip, and just take the ratchet out of play. So it's a bummer, but you know, we learned it, and we'll have fun tomorrow, or we'll have fun the next time we do it. Right, Ashton? So we're all packed up. Sunday afternoon, we're gonna get out of here. We've got some really cool little tricks we just figured out with our 230 tent. So all these bags right here, we've got sleeping bags, air mattresses, you know, tent rods, and some blankets. We were able to fit into our rooftop tent bag on the roof. So we got pillows, everything up in there. It's totally buttoned down. It's perfect. So now the great part about that is whenever we go out again, all of our sleeping stuff is already in the tent. So basically all we got to put in here is in the truck. We've got the annex right there, a cooler, you know, we'll put a cooler right here. Now we can get a bigger cooler. Our water jugs we can put easily now. Essentially we've got that rooftop tent just compacted and loaded to the brim, but that saves us space inside of our expedition, which is great because you want to be as compact and space saving as possible. there's always more stuff to put in. So obviously we've got our box right here, all of our stuff. This is kind of, it's a little messy. We've been camping all weekend, but you know, we got some stuff in there. Kitchen stuff, but really excited that we were able to get all these bags, sleeping bags, pillows, air mattresses in the rooftop tent. Money.